Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Now, in the previous class, we have learned about writing numbers in digits, writing numbers in words, and writing in expanded form. Now, today we will learn about writing number in the standard form, word form, and expanded form when it is given in the form of abacus. जब वो एबेकस के फॉर्म में दिया होगा तब आपको उसी नंबर को कैसे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है, कैसे वर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है और कैसे एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में लिखना है वो आज हम करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दैट. नाउ expanded form. In the previous class also you have learned about the expanded form. Today I'll be giving one more example so that you can understand what is expanded form. So all of you have seen rubber bands. Okay, so suppose this is a rubber band. Now what you are going to do, you are going to stretch this rubber band. So what it will become, it will grows longer. Okay, आपने एक रबर बैंड लिया, उसको खींच दिया तो वो क्या बड़ी हो जाती है ना रबर बैंड. बस यही आपका एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म है. आपने एक नंबर को एक्सपैंड कर दिया, मतलब बढ़ा दिया, खींच दिया. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टेक द एग्जांपल सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म. Okay, now here on the screen you can see the example, that is 6734. You have to write down this in the expanded form. Okay, so first of all we'll write down this number here and we will mention the place values. Remember the place values I told you in the first class, that will be writing from the right hand side. हमेशा जब भी हम प्लेस वैल्यूज लिखेंगे हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड से लिखेंगे. ये आपका कौन सा साइड है? राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, सो दिस विल बी ones. So 4 is at which place? Ones. 3 is at which place? Tens. Then after tens what comes? 100 and then 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, now we can easily write down the expanded form. Okay, so we'll start from the right end. So 4 is at the ones place. Okay, so we'll start from here. So what is the number here? 4. Now it is at which place? Ones. So the place value for 4 will be whatever the digit is given. Now what is given here? 4. Ones means 1. Okay, so 4 multiply by 1, it will be equal to 4. Okay, now second digit is 3. Okay, 3 is at which place? Tens. So we'll write down whatever the digit is given here, write down that 3 and then multiply by 10. Okay, it is at tens place, so 3 will be multiplied by 10. So 3 tens are 30. Similarly, 7 is at which place? Hundreds place. Now 7 will be multiplied by 100. 7 multiplied by 100, so it will be equal to 700. Similarly, next is 6. It is at which place? Thousands place. So it will be 6 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 6000. Okay, so the sum of all these, that is 6000, 7000, 30 plus 4, that will be the expanded form. Now I'll tell you one trick how you can easily write down the expanded form. Suppose the number, we are going to take the same number. Okay, so the number is this. You'll start writing from the back side. we'll write down the place value from the back side, that is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay. Now trick is we'll be writing from the front end. जब भी आप expanded form लिखेंगे तो front end से ही लिखते हैं, ठीक है. तो 6 आपको क्या लिखना है, 6 लिखिए. उसके बाद के जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं, कितने डिजिट्स हैं, 3, उन सबको क्या कर देंगे, 0. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, 6000. 6 वाला हो गया. देन वी विल स्टार्ट विद द 7. सो 7, राइट डाउन 7, एंड 7 के बाद के जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं वो सारे आपके क्या बन जाएंगे, 0. तो 7 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं, 2 डिजिट्स, सो 2 zeros. देन फॉर 3, so राइट डाउन 3, एंड देन उसके बाद कितने डिजिट हैं, 1, so write down 1 0. Then plus, then what it is given, 4, so write down 4, and उसके आगे तो कोई भी डिजिट नहीं है तो कोई भी 0 नहीं लगेगा. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, 6000 प्लस 700 प्लस 30 प्लस 4. अब आप ये वाला देखिए, जो हमने पहले किया था उसमें भी यही आया ना, 6000 प्लस 700 प्लस 30 प्लस 4. So all of you have understood this. Now we'll start from the question number 1 of exercise 2C. Question number 1, A part is already solved. We'll be solving two parts of it, that is B part and F part. Okay. Now this is the abacus. Okay. Now abacus, it is the place values are given, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay. Now you can see in the ones place how many beads are given, 4. So we'll write down 4 at the ones place. Similarly at the tens place how many beads are given, 3. So we'll write down 3 at the tens place. Similarly at the hundreds place how many beads are given, 2. So write down 2 at the hundreds place. Similarly on the at the thousands place only one bead is there. So write down 1 at the thousands place. Now the number has become 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The standard form will be in the form of digits only. So we'll write down standard form here. Standard form will be digits only. So it will be, now while you are writing in the digits, you have to remember one thing, that whenever you are writing any number in the digits, if it is a 4-digit number, suppose a number is there, that is 5, 6, 2 and 9. This is the example that I am taking. Then what you will be doing, you will count 3 digits from the back side, 1, 2, 3, and then you will put the comma here. Okay. So this thing you have to remember. Okay. Now you have to write down this in the form of words. Okay. Now for writing this in words, first of all we'll remember the place value. So this is 4 is at ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So it will be 1234. So it will be, how many thousands are there? 1. How many hundreds are there? 2. And I told you tens and ones will be taken together. So it will be 3, 4. So it will be 34. Then I told you the expanded form right now. Okay. So the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I told you whenever you are writing expanded form, you will start from the beginning. Okay. So the first digit is 1. Okay. So we'll write down 1. Then how many digits are there after 1? 3. So we'll write down 0 in place of those 3 digits. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. And similarly for 2, you'll write down 2 and then next 2 digit will be 0, 0. So it will be 2, 0, 0. Okay. Then 3 it will be 3, 0. Then 4 it will be 4. Now there are no digits after 4. So we'll write down 4 only. I hope कि आप सबको ये expanded form समझ में आ गया है. Now we'll start doing the another question, that is F part. Okay. I hope that all of you are understanding the concepts of math. I know that you all are very good students You all are completing your work properly. You all are doing great job. Okay, now let us start the next one, that is the F part. Okay, now we'll see in the ones place there are 5 beats. So we'll write down 5 in the place wherever you are writing in the abacus. Start writing from the back side only. Okay, so ones place, how many beats are there? 5. So write down 5. Tens place, how many beats are there? No beats. That means 0 beats. So write down 0. At the hundreds place also, how many beats are there? No beats. So write down 0. At the thousands place, how many beats are there? Let us count all the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many total beats are there? 9. So write down 9 at the thousands place. So standard form is writing in the form of digits. Okay. I told you whenever you are writing in the standard form, that is in the form of digit, you'll put comma after 3 digit from the back side. पीछे से आप 3 digits count करेंगे, उसके बाद आप comma लगा देंगे. Okay, so the number will become this is 9,000 and then 9,005. Now we'll write down this in the form of words. Now you see here in the abacus, whenever we are writing in the word form, we are writing from the beginning now. So how many thousands are there? 9,000. How many hundreds are there? No hundreds, so no need of writing. अगर hundreds नहीं दिए हैं, आपके 100 में कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं दी है, तो उसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 9,000. Now hundreds are not there. और मैंने आपको बताया था टेंस और वंस को आपको एक साथ लिखना है, लेकिन टेंस और वंस आपका मिला करके क्या बन रहा है? 0 and 5. तो जब भी कोई ऐसी डिजिट हो जिसके पहले 0 लगा हो, तो उस 0 का कोई भी मीनिंग नहीं होता है. तो इसका मतलब ये क्या हो गया? ये 5 ही तो है. ठीक है, तो आपकी वैल्यू क्या बन जाएगी? 9,000 and 9,005. It will be 9,005. Okay. Now expanded form. Expanded form मैंने अभी आपको सिखाया ना. 9. Suppose you have to write down the expanded form of this value. Okay. So we'll start from the beginning. So it will be 9 and rest of the digits will become 0. So it will be 900. Okay. Then we have to write down the value of hundreds place. Now the digit is 0. So we'll write down 0 and then rest of the 2 digits will become 0. So it will be 0, 0 and 0. Now 3 zeros together, it means 0 only. आप 3 0 एक साथ लिखिए या 4 0 एक साथ लिख लिए या 5 0 एक साथ लिखिए, उसका मतलब 0 ही होता है. तो हम उसकी वजह क्या लिख देते हैं यहाँ पर? केवल 0. ठीक है. ऐसे ही टेंस प्लेस पर आपका क्या दिया हुआ है? 0. उसके बाद वाली जो डिजिट होती है वो क्या बन जाती है? 0. सो दैट मीन्स इट इज 0 and 0. 0 0 का मतलब भी क्या हुआ? 0 ही. तो हम उसे क्या रहने देंगे? 0. Now next one is 5. Okay. So 5 will write down 5. इसके बाद की सारे डिजिट्स क्या कर देंगे? 0. इसके बाद में कोई डिजिट है? नहीं, तो कोई भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now this was your question number 1. Then your question number 2. Represent each of the following number on the spike abacus. ठीक है, आपको ये इस तरह का एक स्पाइक एबेकस दिया हुआ है, आपको ये नंबर इसमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ठीक है, तो पहला पार्ट ऑलरेडी मैंने इसमें कर रखा है. ठीक है, मैं आपको दूसरा पार्ट करके बताती हूँ. सो द नंबर इज गिवन 5019. हम बैक साइड में देखेंगे वंस प्लेस पर हमारे कितनी बीट्स हैं? 9. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? 9 बीट्स बनाएंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Similarly, tens place, how many beats are there? 1. So make 1 beat only. Hundreds place, how many beads are there? 0. So there will be no beads on the hundreds place. At thousands place, how many beads are there? 5. So make 5 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So you have to make these beads with the help of pencils. Okay? So you are not having book. So you will draw the abacus and just write down the number with the help of these beads. Okay? Now the next question. Write the number in the standard form. One has been done for you. Okay? Now it is given thousand, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay? Now we know that the numbers has a place value this way: ones, tens, then hundred, and then thousand. Okay? Now we'll write down the values. So how many thousands are there? 5. So write down 5. How many hundreds are there? 2. Now how many tens are given? 1. How many ones are given? 8. So the number has become 5218. इससे पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन में मैंने आपको एक बात बताई थी कि जब भी आप डिजिट्स के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, आप बैक साइड से 3 डिजिट्स को काउंट करेंगे और एक कॉमा लगा देंगे. तो यहाँ पे कॉमा कहाँ पे आएगा? लेट अस काउंट द डिजिट्स 1, 2, 3 and then put the comma here. Okay, so this way you have to complete the whole table. Okay, now the next question, that is fill in the blanks with the correct number. One has been already done for you. Now in this question the number is given and you have to separate the hundreds, thousands, tens and ones. Okay, so the number will be solving B part. So this is given 2040. So we'll start writing the place values first of all. So this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000. So at ones place, what is the digit given? 0. So write down 0 at the ones place. At the tens place, what it is given? 4. So write down 4 at the tens place. Similarly, what is given at the hundreds place? 0. So write down 0 at the hundreds place. What is given at the thousands place? 2. So write down 2 at the thousands place. I hope that all of you have understood question number 4. You have to solve rest of the parts that are left in your register. And thank you everyone.